Once you get comfortable with storing and holding your product, it's time to learn how to actually use it. Pepper sprays and gels both deploy extremely similarly, so these tips work for both.
So that distance that Esme spoke about may not always be the case. You may have the attacker up close to you when you go to use your spray. We do recommend you use your dominant hand to deploy the spray, and if necessary, have your other hand out in front of you so you can push off to gain that distance. So with this product, with a stream or a gel spray, we recommend an ear-to-ear deployment across the eyes. If it's a cone or a fog type spray pattern, we recommend more up-down towards the center of the face. The nice thing about SABRE products is we use the natural pigment that pepper spray provides. So it's kind of a dark orange-red situation. So you can see if you missed on the attacker's face, right? So if you go across, ear to ear, across the eyes, you miss with the first shot, you visualize that, maybe hit the forehead or lower, you re-aim, and you go back. You throw it in reverse so you contact that ocular area. You want to saturate that. So the idea is that involuntary eye closure, close their eyes. They may also feel some severe burning sensation on their facial skin and maybe even a loss of breath sensation. When that occurs, it doesn't mean that they're necessarily going to stop if they're charging at you. It doesn't physically stop them from moving, but you're taking away their vision, so you need to be prepared, pretend like it's a train or a bull coming at you and get off that track. You want to sidestep and escape to safety.